Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show notifications for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen here, open up the text messaging app. Next, tap on the option key from the pop-up menu, select settings. In settings, go down and tap on notifications. Then in here, tap on show notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off, switch it on. Once you turn it on, you have a number of different options available for you to set. So you can choose the alerts type. You can choose to show high app icon badges and other notifications settings, such as the sound or whether you want to show it as a pop-up or not. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages, or tap on the home key to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.